welcome back to my channel. I am Iya, and for today's video, first time ko actually gumawa ng intro na nagsasalita or something because I have been shy sa mga previous videos. Moving forward, gusto ko na parang nagto-talk na talaga ako just so I can express myself more. Ayun nga, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the preparations siguro na gagawin ko. Moving out from my home and then moving into another place because I'm going to start med school. So, ayan, I'm going to be a med student. Tama ba? I'm going to be a med student here in the Philippines, and I want to show, or I just want to share my journey. Sana mapanindigan ko to. Also, here is my cat na tinitingnan lang ako kanina habang nagsasalita ako. Hi guys, I'm back here at home. It's already 5:40 p.m. and gusto ko na lang magpahinga.
Nagan, ma'am.
So, sobrang kalat. Like, may mga kakalundri lang din dyan. Tapos yan yung trinay kong isort kahapon. It's 11:13 and ito na yung kalagayan. Yung mga gamit ko, like, ang dami pang hindi ko na e-empake pero na-sort ko na yan. So, ito na yung mga na-sort ko. Hi guys, it's Saturday already and 5 p.m. na. Kakagising ko lang. Ayun. Hindi pa ulit ako nakakapag-empake. So, bukas na ako pabiyahe, like, madaling araw. So, sana matapos ko to. Ayun lang. Bye! Say Percy, ay may Bensit. Kanakon Manila, ni dito Eric to timang pakan kanya yun. Okay? Okay. Kelly! Te, ang laki pala ng nabili kong sako bag something. Like, kasya na ata ako dito. Hi guys, so tapos na akong mag-empake, like yung major bags na nakita nyo. Tapos yung sa backpack ko na lang yung kailangan kong ayusin bukas. Nagsa-charge pa kasi yung iPad ko, tapos kailangan ko pang i-charge tong phone ko. So, ayun. Medyo nakapaglinis na rin ako. Oh my God, yung extension pa pala. Kailangan kong maalala na dalhin yung extension. So, ayun. And lang update, matutulog na siguro ako. Like, I think in a while, magre-research muna ako kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin as a preparation for Kelly. Hindi ko lang kung ba't ko pinakita yun, pero ayun, stay hydrated siguro. Bye! Okay.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pass, so we gotta get it.
Hey guys, so I just moved in kanina pang 11 and 1:11 PM na. Trinay kong matulog pero wala. So kakain na lang ako. And it's very funny because ayoko pang kumain kasi ayokong gumastos. Pero like, kung nagkasakit ako, hindi ko gastos din. So, well.
Easy to. Do you want me to tell you what you should do? I want you to stop thinking that acting.